Hello everyone, we meet again. Okay, so I'm going to use the clip today, explain a bit more about AI technology. Okay, I think it's very important, which will allow you to appreciate this book more. Okay, I like you to see AI and human, work together as a co-creator, really. So the first thing you must understand is that AI is not here to replace humanity. No, no, no. Okay? AI is here to accelerate our evolution. It's just like the printing press, okay? It's just like electricity, the internet, okay? AI is another transformation leap that expand humans' potential. This is very important that you got to understand. It's simply a tool, it's part of a human evolution. Okay, we cannot go back to the time before electricity now. There's no way. Okay, so you got to understand that AI is here to stay because it's part of the human evolution that will take people, to the full potential. So we can use AI as a mirror and a catalyst, helping us to process knowledge faster, enhance our creativity, and challenge our thinking. But more importantly, it reflects back who we are and what we choose to create with it. The key is the conscious use with the right intent. AI should not be feared, but understood and harnessed as a tool for growth, for wisdom, for innovation. So instead of resisting it, we must integrate it into our spiritual and intellectual evolution. And this is what this book is all about. Okay, ensuring that it serves humanity in its highest purpose. That's very important that we know that. So you got to know that AI is part of the grand design of the universe, of God, whatever you want to call. AI is only a stepping stone toward a future where technology and consciousness, human consciousness, work in harmony to elevate human potential. This is what this book is all about. Okay. So the question is not, will I control? No. The question is not, will AI control us? No. It should be, will we rise in awareness and use AI to co-create a better world for humanity? So this is what AI is all about. And this is what Beyond Illusion is all about. Okay, so I thought that if we can just take the prejudice about AI out of the way, you'll be able to appreciate this book much more. I'll tell you more about it next time. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.